Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how I make artisanal wood-fired pizza. I work as a pizza chef in an outdoor kitchen in a really nice setting. Look at those flames. This pizza is going to be a traditional margherita style. Prepare your peel, stretch the dough, add some sauce, slap on the cheese. Whoa, don't forget the fresh mutts. Then jam it in the oven. This oven is so hot, it'll cook a pizza in about a minute. It cooks perfect pizzas between 800 and 900 degrees. After 30 seconds, spin the pie 180 degrees. Oh man, would you look at that? It's making me hungry. Look at all the flavor bubbles. Whoever gets this pizza is going to be very happy. We cut it in 6 slices. Add some fresh basil and basil pesto. Add a little olive oil and fresh grated Parmesan, and it's done. That's a serious pizza. I don't think you guys can handle. I can out Pizza the Hut any day of the week. This particular pizza isn't even on the menu. It's take home for one of my bosses. It was such a nice day. Those people in the background had been there for almost 5 hours, eating pizza, drinking wine. Oh man, look at all that flavor trying to escape. This one's a white pie with fresh arugula and prosciutto di Parma. Then we hit it with a little imported balsamic glaze. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.